In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate an Airbnb account. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone or go to the Airbnb website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're logging into the correct account before continuing, especially if you have more than one login or share a device with someone else. After signing in, head to your account section. This is where Airbnb keeps your personal settings and account management options. Depending on whether you're using the app or the website, the layout may look a little different, but the process is generally the same. Next, look for either privacy and sharing or personal information. Airbnb may label this section differently depending on your device or version of the app, so don't worry if the wording is not exactly the same. Open the option that gives you access to your account details and privacy settings. Once you're in that area, look for the Deactivate Account option. When you find it, select it to continue. Before Airbnb lets you complete the process, you'll usually be shown important information explaining what happens when your account is deactivated. Take a moment to read through this carefully so you understand the effect it may have on your bookings, messages, or account access. After reviewing that information, continue by following the on-screen instructions. In some cases, Airbnb may ask you to verify your identity before moving forward. This is a normal security step designed to protect your account, so just complete the verification if it appears. When prompted, confirm that you want to deactivate your account. Be sure to review the final confirmation screen before submitting, just so you know you're choosing the correct option. Once confirmed, Airbnb will begin processing your request. This may happen right away, or it could take a short amount of time depending on the platform and any security checks involved. After that, keep an eye on your email inbox for a confirmation message letting you know that your account has been deactivated successfully. And that's it. If you're not ready to permanently make changes right away, reading each screen carefully during the process can help you avoid mistakes.